Academy. Today we will start the first chapter of class 9 main textbooks Beehive chapter 1. It means chapter first, the fun they had. The fun they had. It means the meaning of this topic. The fun. It means the enjoyment, the pleasure they had. It means it is the talking about the future, the pleasures, happiness of the future. Suppose we are enjoying the physical class today, but what would happen after 100 years or 150 years, 200 years ago? After that, hence after. Okay, that is the basic things. The fun they had. Writer's introductions. Isaac Asimov. He is an American writer and professor who always wrote articles, and you may call articles or any literary articles and biography based on science fiction, based on scientific facts, because he is a science professor. That's why he always writes the story or article that is based or related directly or indirectly related to science. And in this section today we will read about differences between physical and digital or virtual class. In this scenario of COVID-19, the whole world is affected by COVID-19 disease. Okay, and most of the schools have adopted the way to teach the students online. We have also adopted, and the craze of online studies increasing day by day. And this chapter provokes us to think about the situation, scenario, and condition. What would happen after 150 years ago, and what had happened before 100 years ago. We all know physical and digital classes. There is a digital class is also called virtual class, you mean, or online class. That is the online class. And we today we all are reading through the use of online sources, mobile, computer, internet, YouTube. There are a number of apps and educational institute which is offering online study of various courses to their students. But in this chapter discuss what may be the scenario, what may be the problem, and what are the basic differences between virtual class and online class. And this class, a virtual class and physical class. Physical class means the regular class, conventional class in which we are reading today. And the virtual or digital class, the class that would take place of this class in future. It means after 100 years ago, 150 years ago. In that scene, what may be the reaction of a students. Similar way, suppose we are reading today in a prescribed or a specific class, suppose class 8, class 9, class 7, class 6. These are the various classes. But before 500 years ago, 1000 years ago, there was no fixed classroom. The students were sit under the trees before their teachers or masters, gurus, and take education, receive education orally. Today we are taking the receiving the education through books. Various printed books are available in market. But the days is not far away when all the things will be available on online sources. And today most of the schools have adopted to teach the students in the most advanced cities like New York, even in our Delhi, Patna. These cities have some very few schools that offering the online class. Even the most advanced preparing, it means the preparatory centers like Quota, they are also offering the online classes. But what are the pleasure of today's class? That is the regular class, where generally the students come from various places, sit together, talk between them, share their personal experiences, discuss the matters and discuss the problems with their friends and teachers. But through the online class, we can only ask the question, we can't discuss the question. First demerit and the first difference between online and physical class. Second, in physical class, we understand the emotion. Because we all are human beings, that's why we have to understand what are the condition of the students. Either he or she is fit or not. We have to observe or see the condition of the students. But in online class, there is no way to understand, or the monitor, screen, you may call computer, laptop, whatever the online sources, that can't understand the problem of students. But it is very, very important for us to understand the feeling of our students. Okay. Through online courses, there is a number of demerits. Regular watching of digital platform, it means mobile, laptop, computers, may affect our eyes, visibility of our eyes. But longer duration of reading the regular book, that is the physical book, there is a less impact of the more hour of maximum hour till reading physical book. But even we watch mobile, laptop, TV screens for more than half or 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, that will affect our eyes badly. But the time is changing. We consider each others that if we are following the technology, it means we are advancing, we are a standard. But it is the very sorrowful fact that the digital world will not understand the feeling and emotions of human beings. Today, all the students come far and share their experiences and discuss, play together, go together, sing together, and do everything in group. But the day is not far away, and the chapter is discussing about the day when every student will have laptop or computer, will sit in a separate room and open the online sources, and they will only see what the mechanical teacher or what the menu or instruction has been set. They can't say I have been suffering from fever. My dear students, we have to understand what are the advanced technology can take us from where we are and from where we will be in future. In this chapter, there is a main two character. Two main character. Main character Marzi, girl, 11 years old, and Tommy, his friend. Tommy, a boy, 13 years old. And this is the story of 17 May 2157, approx 150 years hence. It means after. It means we are talking about 150 years ahead. Today in 2020, we will talk about 2150 or 70. Okay. 130 years. Okay. Now, what would happen? There would be a number of changes in the technological field, in all fields. In this chapter, we are talking about what will be the changes in the context of study material and the way of study, way of the thinking of the students of that time, and the way of thinking of the students of this time. Today, we will discuss the main character, Margie, a girl writing her diary on 15th March 2157. On that day, she said, Tommy had found a real book. Real book means, here, real book means physical book. Physical book means today's book that have the printed letters and everything we can read even after 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago. But in the digital platform, we can't read after prescribed time. It will vanish, but the real book contains the printed letters and alphabets, and it will continue till it not vanished. Okay. Now we will see the word meaning. Listen. Margie wrote in her diary on 17th March 2157 that Tommy had found a real book, and she is asking to Tommy, this is the real book. It doesn't have more attraction. It is different from the books we are studying and the book they have studied. Because in this context they are different, because this book contains the printed letters and this book doesn't contain the printed letter. There is a monitor and everything displays on it, and students read and note down, and there is no way to understand the feeling of the students. First and second and third paragraph deals that Margie wrote about the real book, and Tommy is explaining to Margie that I have found this book in our attic. Attic is a place. Attic, it is an old storehouse where it is a type of storehouse where we keep old things. It means Tommy told Margie that I have found this book in our attic. Attic is a place, attic is the type of a store house where we keep old things. Okay. Now she is asking and inquiring about how they read and what they did and what were the school of that time, how they come together, how they pray, and how the teachers taught. And these are the things that is discussed in the paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Okay, dear students, today we will read up to 3rd paragraph. In the next class we will read the remaining of this chapter. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share my channel.